Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I am excited to talk to you today about my December Boxycharm. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a subscription service that delivers products to your door every month. I will make sure that I have all the information listed for you. I get the base box, which is the most inexpensive box. It is, I believe, $27, and I get 5 full-sized items every month that are either makeup or skincare, one of which I get to choose. And my favorite thing about Boxycharm is the add-ons. They just changed the name. I'll make sure I link it. But it is an opportunity to buy discounted makeup every month, and they have current things on there, great things in there. I really enjoy shopping the Boxycharm add-ons every month. So let's get into this box. There are different variations, so you may have seen other videos of people unboxing their base box. If not, it's a fun video to watch. But this is the box that I got. Now, I did cheat a little because I like to try on as many products as I can for you so that you can get a first impression. So if you're noticing some things missing or some things looking a little off on my face, that is why. So let's go ahead and jump into the box, and you get a card in your box every month. And this one has a theme that says Gift of Glam. And they have all the products that I received right here with a description and a price. So let's go through it, and then we're gonna try on some items. So the first thing listed here is the Realher Dreams So Big eyeshadow palette. I am super excited about this because I had never heard of the brand Realher until Boxycharm. Started, I believe, with an eyebrow pencil that I got. Loved it, used it, I purchased it multiple times on the add-ons. I have gotten lip liners that I really enjoy from them. I have gotten a lipstick, I believe, from them. And now I get to try this eyeshadow palette. Now there is a little note on here that says, we here at Realher donate a part of our proceeds to nonprofit organizations that help advance the lives of women and girls through scholarship programs, leadership, advocacy, education, and research here in the US. Fantastic. Retails for $28. Oop, there just went the protector. And this is what it looks like. A very everyday palette. I have not swatched it. I have no idea, but we will absolutely be playing with that. Thrilled to have it. The next product that I got is from Mudmasky, and this is their mineral infused double cleansing mask. This non-foaming, fragrance-free cleansing mask is infused with rich minerals to detoxify and deep cleanse your face before bedtime. Formulated with the blend of cleansing minerals and Mudmasky's signature premium Moroccan lava clay, this effective formula aids in restoring your skin's pH levels, reducing redness, and preventing acne. Retails for $59. I will absolutely use this. I love to get cleansers. They get used all the time. The next item listed on here is the Tarte Maneater Plumping Gloss. I have been enjoying some lip plumpers as of late. Apply Tarte's Maneater Plumping Gloss for visibly plumper looking lips. The nourishing formula smooths the lips and wraps them in lasting hydration, color, and shine, while the Volu Plump Complex works to visibly plump the lips with just one swipe. Retail value $19. Never tried a lip plumper from Tarte? Yay, I'm gonna absolutely try that. The next product is the TYNT Beauty Tinted Hydrating Eye Cream. Undercover is a sheer color correcting eye cream that doubles as both eye cream and concealer. The buildable sheer formulation evens out tone while hydrating the skin with skin perfecting ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, squalene, and apple extract. Retails for $24. This is what it looks like. If you noticed, if you remember, I absolutely will have the playlist linked. I tried another product from TYNT. It was a mascara and brow gel. It did not go well, but I have high hopes for this. If you noticed, I don't have eyeshadow on my eyes because I knew we were going to play with that eyeshadow. I don't have lipstick on. I just lined my lips with some lip liner. and my under eyes are not done. So I don't even have powder on my face because I didn't want to mess with this. So this is what the product looks like. So we're gonna definitely play with that. And then the last thing is the Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. A vegan, fade-proof, water-resistant liquid eyeliner that features an intensely black ink for the ultimate eye definition. The micro brush tip glides on smoothly, dispensing just the right amount of liquid as you apply, so you're able to create more precise definition where you want. Retails $18. Give it a little swatch. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Looks very nice. Let's get into these products. Put some on my face, and then we will talk about the full value of the box. Is it worth the $27 that I paid? I am excited to get into this eyeshadow. It is Inspire, Aspiration, Empower, Imagine, Ambition, Encourage, Dream, Envision. Here is Desire. We're gonna throw together a simple look with this palette, and I am first gonna go in with Inspire. Little bit of kick up in the pan. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same shade, Inspire, and put it under the eyes. I'm going to go into Encourage and put this on the lid. It looks like a nice, this coppery shade. Very pretty. Now I do want a little more pop, so I'm going to see how this Dream shows up in that innermost part of my eyelid. Pretty. Just going back into that transition, make sure everything is blended. Now I do want to go into this Empower shade just to see how this deepens up the outer corner. Nothing on my brush, just blending. I think that did a nice job. Let me check for fallout. Looks like we have a little bit of fallout. Okay, fallout is gone. I went ahead and added a little bit of black eyeliner in my waterline. I already had a little black in the upper. And now we're going to give this liquid liner a shot. I'm not the best with liquid liners, so I had to hold a mirror close to my face. Be nice. Not bad for my amateur skills with black liner. I think it turned out pretty darn well. It's not a super wet formula, and I did have to go over it a little bit on top of the shimmer, but I like it. Obviously, the true test will be if it cracks, if it fades. I've had so many liquid liners that do that to me, so be sure to check the description box. Before we finish with the eyes, let's go into this TYNT eye cream. I'm going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand just because I want to see. Ooh, I wonder if it comes in different shades. The shade that I have here, it says Latte. It says it could be used as concealer. Let's see if it's got enough. It did add some color and it's definitely illuminating. Is it enough for me? No. Maybe if you have not a lot of darkness under your eyes, maybe if you have super dry skin, you will like this. Let me know what you think. I think I need a little more concealer. So I'm gonna throw some concealer on, powder, mascara, come back and give you my final thoughts. I am back, mascara is on. I did add a little bit of my ABH concealer, a little Wet n Wild powder, a little ABH mascara, and I almost forgot about this lip gloss. It's a little on the thick side. It's more old school, a little bit sticky, but making the lips look juicy and plump, yes. Can I feel it? The tingle, yes. Not super intense, but nice. I like it. I will wear it. Maybe not on a date night with my husband where I might give him a smooch, but on a shopping trip or something like that, I will get used to it. So let's look at the value of this box. For the 5 items that I got in this box, they add up to a retail value of $148. That is a really good value. Do I like this box? Absolutely. I am very happy with this box. First of all, I got more makeup than skincare, so that is always my goal. I like skincare, but I'm not as into skincare as I am into makeup. I have skincare. Skincare, I feel like you need to stick with one item for a while before you move on to the next. You shouldn't be using 6 different eye creams, so it tends to build up when you are constantly getting it. So the mask I do go through. I will use it. This is an absolute favorite. I'm thrilled to try the Realher eyeshadow. Is it basic? Is it simple? Yes. Is it beautiful for daily wear? Yes. I like it very much. I think it's gorgeous, and I really enjoy items from this brand. I love their purpose. I love their names. I think they are really neat. The eyeliner worked out just fine. I can't tell you how many times I've done my makeup, had my eyeshadow done, and the eyeliner went awry and I had to start the whole eye process over again because I didn't want a wing that was, you know, massive. The fact that this went on well is great. This I'm not sure about. I don't know if it adds enough for me to have my eye cream on and then put this on and then need a concealer. So this is the biggest maybe of the bunch. And then this, yes, I think this is great, and it is getting more and more intense as I'm wearing it, and it's going through the lip liner. So if you want an intense lip plumper that is really juicy and you like the thickness, because oftentimes the thickness I find will make it last a little bit longer. I am happy, Boxycharm. Thank you for my variation. If you get Boxycharm, please let me know. Did you get the same things in your base box? Did you get other things? I've watched a couple videos. I've seen other people get different items. I'm very curious if you get it and what you got in it. Were you pleased? Do you get the bigger boxes? If you're interested in more information about Boxycharm, I will have it linked in my description box. I always have the link to Boxycharm in my description box because I love it. This is not a sponsored video. I just really enjoy getting this subscription box. I love it almost every single month, and usually there's something that makes it worth my money. There might be a couple extra things. I have gifted things to people. I have put them in giveaways, items that I know I will not use, so I do not open. I just think it's fun. So if you've not subscribed to my channel as of yet, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you know when I upload videos, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I have a whole playlist on Boxycharm. I've put full faces together on things that I've gotten from Boxycharm. Make sure that you check it out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.